starting with 1 minute of presence. Take the time to close your eyes. Connect to your breath. Feeling the buzz of your inner body. Totally letting go of any future or any memory of the past. Let's begin the flow with spinal waves. Taking a big inhale in child's pose. When you exhale, you're going to round your back to the sky as you move your hips forward. Exhale, moving forward. Inhale as we open our chest, open our throat, open our hips. Exhale as we roll back to child's pose. Big inhale in child's pose before you move again. Low lunge to half split flow. Inhale as you shift your hips forward, tucking your tailbone underneath you. Exhale, pressing back. Feel the left hamstring open. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Once you've done 5 flows on one side, go ahead and switch. Moving into downward facing dog. Take your time. Place your hands forward on your mat or the floor. Tuck your toes and bring your hips towards the sky. Tucking your belly button in slightly. Feel free to pedal the feet if that feels good to you. Continue to find long energy through the spine. Vinyasa flow. Shifting forward on your inhale, exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale, pressing up into your up dog or cobra. Exhale, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Inhale, going forward. You can go through the knees on the exhale all the way down. Inhale, open the front side of your body. Exhale, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Flow with your own breath. I'm going to do one more. Good job. Once you finish, go ahead and take a seat. We're going to spend 30 seconds in silence. You can open your palms to the sky, close your eyes, and feel the energy in your body. When you're ready, open your eyes.